Here I've got HTC U Ultra, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, right here, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down a bit and click on Personalize, and now select Change Wallpaper, which is the first possibility. And now you can pick the album that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be HTC wallpapers, live wallpapers, theme store, or photos. So let me choose, for example, HTC wallpapers. And now just pick the one that you would like to apply. Here you've got all the options, all possibilities, and let me choose, for example, this one. And then tap on apply right here, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them, and I will pick the last option. And this is it. So as you can see from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home screen and also your lock screen. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.